Are you ready?
Fuck yeah. Alright, dude, I'm so down.
Yes, dude. Kevin, I lost my hat. Dallas, what happened? Mia and Zeppelin. Bringing only the essentials. PJs, thermals, pants, flannel, jacket, shirt. It's been a while since we traveled in the van. Got to do a couple things. One, top off the water. So only fill this up about half full because we'll only be gone for about a day. Boom. Got to work out the bubbles sometimes and then it's good to go. All right, we are all packed up and ready to go. We're gonna make a road trip to Durango, Colorado. From Denver to Durango to go visit my buddy and to go skateboard, just to go. That's what we like to do. We just like to go, adventure, travel, KDMZ adventure. That's what's up. Yo, what's good?
Nothing much. What's up, man? What you doing?
Yo, dude, I'm on my way to come see you, bro.
Durango?
Yeah, dude.
Hey!
Alright.
Yo, we left like maybe an hour ago. 4 more hours left probably. I'll see you soon, bro. Yeah, dude, we're gonna skate tomorrow.
Fuck yeah. Alright, dude, I'm so down.
Yes, dude. Sweet.
Dude,
Peace, man.
later, man.
Later. Stopped here in Buena Vista, a little pit stop, let the dogs out, get some fresh air, stretch our legs. The camera died about an hour ago. Got it all charged up now. Took a little pit stop at the gas station in the middle of nowhere. Saguache?
Rainbow Express. Chill. Chill out.
What's up, guys? We've been driving for about 5 hours. The sun has gone down. We had to stop for gas. Thought I'd give you a little update. Still got like 1 more hour before we get to Durango. Peace. Getting kind of tired. Pups are a little tired too. Lights on. How do you like that? Woo. Hey. Yo, what is up, YouTube? Caught up with my friend Brandon.
Really good flat hold. Just you wait. Sketch. I like those front lip slides, man.
Woo! Thought I lost you guys.